Good morning, Junior 5. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine. I miss you so much. Let's start with our lesson today, which is talking about the human urinary system. You know that there are two types of wastes that expelled outside the body, which are the solid wastes and the excretory materials, and each one of them has a definition. The solid wastes are the indigested food stored in the large intestine before passing outside the body. But the excretory materials are the waste materials formed inside the cells and carried by the blood to special organs to get rid of them. The excretory materials contains number 1 carbon dioxide gas and water vapor that produced by burning the digested food with oxygen to produce the energy. Number 2, the excess salt and excess water. The body can get rid of salts by dissolving them in excess water. And the last one is the nitrogenous wastes. Nitrogenous wastes, they are produced from breaking down of protein. The digestion of protein, the wastes that comes from digestion of protein called nitrogenous wastes. These nitrogenous wastes such as urea and uric acid. But you know that the protein are necessary for growth of the body and repairing the damaged tissues. Now, how your body get rid of these excretory materials? Your body cells produce these wastes, then release them to the blood. So the blood carry these wastes to special organs to get rid of them, where number 1, the carbon dioxide gas and water vapor are exhaled from the two lungs during the exhalation process. So your body can get rid of the carbon dioxide gas and water vapor through the two lungs during the exhalation process. Number 2, the nitrogenous wastes. Nitrogenous wastes such as urea and uric acid are removed by the two kidneys. And the excess salts and excess water, they are expelled outside the body through the urinary system and your skin. Your urinary system and skin. In the urinary system in the form of urine. So your body can expel or get rid of excess salts and excess water in the form of urine. And your skin by secreting sweat. From special glands in your skin called sweat glands. So we have a definition of the sweat glands. They are a special type of glands. Inside your skin that produce sweat. This is the sweat glands here. It's a special type of glands in your skin to produce the sweat. Now let's start with the urinary system. We have a definition of the urinary system. It's the system that clarifies the blood. And clarify means make the blood pure. Clarify the blood or make the blood pure from nitrogenous wastes, excess salts and excess water. From nitrogenous wastes, excess salts and excess water. Its location, where is it located? It lies inside the abdominal cavity. Near the backbone. Here, Junior 5, you see this. The red one is called kidneys. It locates near the backbone. In the abdominal cavity, but the circulatory system lies in the chest cavity. The heart lies in the chest cavity, but the urinary system